Hello programmer, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will show you retinal disease detection using VGG19 and ResNet algorithm. Okay, so let's start. Just open the project folder. Okay, and this is the requirement file. These are all libraries we are using with that particular version. Okay, and these are input images for making a UI. So we are giving input images. These all are the input images which we are going to test. Okay, and so this is the model folder, the ResNet and VGG19. Okay, and this is the training folder. So this is the dataset link which we are using from Kaggle. Okay, so let's run the code. Write cmd python space main.py. Enter. Okay, so this is the home window of that particular project, and we have to browse that particular image. Okay, input images, select any image. Now we have to predict from the ResNet algorithm. Okay, so just click on the ResNet button. The model is working in the background. Okay, so this is the output image of cataract by ResNet. Okay, so it will give the accuracy 99.96%. Okay, now we are going to predict for the VGG19. It will show the predicted output here also. So this image is predicted by VGG19 with accuracy 100%. Okay, so this is the about us page. That identifies a machine learning based project designed using Tkinter module of Python and developed using Python programming language. VGG19 ResNet is the algorithm that is used to train the model. Okay, so we train the model in both the algorithm. The aim of the tool is to determine the disease in the retina from given image. If disease is found, it classifies the class of disease. User get two options in the interface for choosing algorithm to use. User can either choose VGG19 for prediction or ResNet. Both the algorithm gives 90+ accuracy. Okay, so just click on the exit button. Yes. Okay, so this is our complete project.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Press bell icon to get more updates.